Alright, this time we're going with Ghostmaker from McFarlane Toys. And we're going to turn Ghostmaker into Vigilante Deku of My Hero Academia. So let's get started. First things first, we gotta mask the pieces and get them ready for airbrushing. I'm gonna go with a nice coat of a brighter green. I'll have all the colors listed in the description. And here he is, all pieces painted and ready to go. Here I'm just dry fitting them to make sure all the pieces are looking good, ready to go. Still got to glue the gauntlets back on and the shoulder pads, but just checking it out and make sure everything's working correctly. Checking his arm joints, and so far looking good. Liking it. But he's a little too clean, so when this is all said and done after the wash and the dusting, he's gonna look like a true vigilante. And this custom head, getting ready to paint, or I am painting the metal piece on it. The custom head was actually done by Damian Menard. You can reach him on Facebook. I'll have his name in the description as well. But the file was actually printed by Tyler Mong. So the file by Damian and the print by Tyler. I'm just giving the gloves, or the hands actually, just a white primer. Along with the gauntlets. These will later be painted. The gloves will be painted bone white, along with the sleeves, or the cuffs, I guess, of the gauntlet. Get the hair done. Looks pretty good, but we'll be giving that a dark wash later on. It's a preview of all the parts. Not done. And here what I'm showing you is that's the hair product that I use, and when it's empty I just clean it out and use it for spare parts. I have several of them that I keep just for spare parts so I don't lose anything on the projects that I have. And I was giving it a wash that I made myself actually. It's 3 parts paint and 1 part paint thinner. A black wash to the hair and the mask. Now the black wash is just liquid shoe polish. Now for the cape, I also made my own wash. This is 1 part paint thinner, 3 parts yellow, and it's a little drop of the black shoe polish. Because a little goes a long way with that shoe polish, so just be careful with it. Here's the bone white that's going on the cuffs. It'll also go on the hands. And then after it dries, I will be putting blue on the knuckles and on the middle portion of the gauntlet. And then when this is all said and done, we're going to go ahead and give this a wash as well, a black wash, along with the hands. Here's the blue knuckles for the hands. I'm going to go ahead and start gluing it back together. We'll start with the gauntlet and see how it looks. Now I like using the Gorilla Glue with the brush applicator. You can use that as a brush applicator, or you can just take the top off and use it like regular super glue. Just drop it on, but the brush gives me more control. And there it is, so far so good. Now comes to the makeup, which makes it look like he's got dust on him, dirt from the streets. I really like this trick. Picked it up when I was doing, I believe, a grifter figure last year. I'm just gonna weather the shoulder pads. Dust the belts. I didn't really do much to them. I left them plain except for a little dusting of dirt. It'll make it look like a little roughed up. And now it's time to put them back together. Now at this point I actually already gave him a matte coat of varnish so it stops any paint from rubbing off as I kind of manhandle it. And there he is, all said and done. Vigilante Deku. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll answer all of them. Here he is from the floor up. Turned out great. I really like the way this one turned out. Thank you again for watching. Tell your friends, like, subscribe. See you next time.